Yeah, so if you hit the warning sign there and turn right.
All right. Hi, Macchiato.
Macchiato. Macchiato?
He's kind of lazy. It's totally fine. You can just put food right in front of his face and he'll just take it from you.
Thank you.
So, capybaras, these from here doesn't mean we don't have them here. We do actually have a native population of capybaras here in the state of Florida. Our estimated population for them is about 50 to 100. What I always tell people is if you don't think people will release their pets into the wild irresponsibly to get food, because he knows that's where the food comes from, which is fine, but then when I'm not handing you guys...
Oh, that's cool. So they just get transported over every day?
Yeah, so every morning what we do is we walk into their enclosure. One comes to work is Mocha, because most of the time he's asleep when the bus comes, and he's like, he just doesn't wake up.
Right.
And we don't wake him up. If he's awake and he wants to come, he can. If he's not, then he's not. And they have to travel. There's like a set number of miles that they researched and found. So this is a swift wallaby, not a kangaroo. Although people make that mistake all the time, don't worry. So you want to get in your hay bucket so people might have a better chance of reaching you? And feel free to, like, if you want to scoot over and pet her, feel free. I mean,
Are their teeth kind of like a beaver's teeth?
hers or the cappies. You actually have to monitor them because they can grow so long that they become health problems, can cause gum disease, impactions, cuts, bruises, stuff like that. It can cause death too. If they can't eat because their teeth are too big, they will. The more an animal gets, especially rodents, the less likely they are to be able to maintain that like proper balance. So Gandalf actually in the front, she's an old rabbit, bunny. Don't chew on her tail, please.
Perfect.
I think she tolerates you, but I don't know if you bite her tail what that'll turn into.
She keeps rabbits or they can't be responsible.
That's on you, little one.
So I noticed when we were in there, they kind of like have a chitter. Is that how they talk?
Yeah, so they have a trill. The capybara trill is it's just a communicator. They use it to kind of talk to one another. The reason I don't want you holding him like this is because sometimes he pops open and then you might drop him. So hold him like this. Couple things. They actually climb together. And give me 1 second. I'll get hand sanitizer. Partying too hard. I have some toys in his enclosure that he's been like really excited about.
That reminds me of like a hermit crab. Oh, it's heavier than I thought.
You're so soft.
Wow.
Oh, she was so much happy.
Like she's trying to
She was having a good time, Justin.
Wow.
Oh, and in the
They weren't even supposed to have tigers there for like.
The capybara was really pretty cool. They didn't really do much interaction with the animals, but it was a cool experience. And I'm in the area, so I decided to check this out and get some steps in while I'm doing it. I wonder if I should get on this wall. I heard that you're allowed to climb on these walls, and so I think I better try to climb that. I'm gonna see if I can climb up over the top of that. Try that right now. Just kidding. They mean you can just climb on these walls right here. This is the moat. I'm walking in the moat right now. Well, I decided to go ahead and buy pass to get inside, and my America the Beautiful had expired, so I went ahead and bought a new America the Beautiful pass. So I'm good for another year. That's the big front door.
Así eran las colchonetas, weón, de las de África, weón. Así eran, weón. Ahí.
Couple good stops at St. Augustine, Florida. Getting some gas before I make my way out of Florida. Okay. See how this turned out. I know this will be very hard to believe, but I am not a chef. I just wanted to make something kind of healthy. So it's bone broth and then some potatoes. It's like a soup, maybe, or a stew. I don't know if those potatoes are done enough. Let's see. Maybe I should have cut them a little smaller. I think it's pretty good. I wonder if I should, maybe I'll cook it a little bit longer. I think I'll do that. Cooking a little longer. I think it's going to be just fine. Potato, be good, and bone broth. I think it'll be great. Okay. I'm going to try this again. Ooh, it feels hot. It's hot outside, so probably not the best. Ow. Ooh. Probably not the best thing on a hot day. but I have some cold water. Should be fine. Smells good. It's good. It's dinner tonight. I'm probably gonna, I don't know, I have nothing planned, so I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I really just want to do some hiking. I just want to be with nature. I think I'm just gonna have my dinner and then try to figure out what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So hopefully if the weather is good and I can find a nice spot, that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow.